Final thing that we need to implement now is this badge. So for that, we're gonna need a new package called badge. Let's search for it. So this one, go to installing and copy this one. Go to pubspec.yaml file and paste it in here. Delete this space because spaces matter. So save your file. And let's go back to feeds product. The badge will appear in here. So on top of this image, so we're gonna need a stack for that. So let's wrap this widget by a stack. And let's add the badge in here. Let's go back to README. Copy this and paste it in here. Let's import the import doesn't appear, so let's just copy the import in here. Let's save it now. Nothing changed. If we restart it, the badge appear a little bit, then it disappear because this image is above of that widget. So let's cut this and add it in here. Save it now. So here it is. Let's change this text to new. And let's change this border radius to the bottom left only. So I will change it to only in here. And choose bottom left. And add a radius of, let's say, try 8. Let's save it now. And here we should use the border right, not left. My bad. So here it is, it appeared in here. You can change the badge color. I will change it to pink. And let's change the animation to true. So when the user opens this page, this new badge will animate. So let's go back now. As you can see, it's being animated.